Lesson 11.2, Triangles. If you look closely at Epcot Center's Spaceship Earth building in Orlando, Florida, you may see a pattern of triangles. The triangle outlined in the pattern at the right has 3 congruent sides and 3 acute angles. What type of triangle is outlined? So right here. So in this section, we're classifying the triangles by the lengths of their sides. On this side, we're classifying triangles by the measures of their angles. An equilateral triangle has 3 congruent sides, so 3 equal sides in length. A right angle has 1 90-degree or right angle. An isosceles triangle has 2 congruent sides. So we'll see on this one how 2 sides measure with 3 inches, whereas the last one is only 2 inches. An acute triangle has 3 acute angles, or angles that are less than 90 degrees. A scalene triangle has no congruent sides, so all the sides are different lengths. An obtuse triangle has 1 obtuse angle, which means that it's more than 90 and less than 180 degrees. The type of triangle outlined in the pattern can be classified by the length of its sides as again, 3 congruent sides and 3 acute angles. Okay, so based off of its sides, it would be an equilateral. But classified by its angle, it would be an acute triangle. Okay, we're actually going to skip this next page altogether, and you are going to be doing numbers 4 through 8 and 13 and 14. So for 4, 5, and 6, you're going to classify each triangle as isosceles, scalene, or equilateral, then write acute, obtuse, or right. For numbers 7 and 8, a triangle has sides with the lengths and angles measures given. Classify each triangle, write isosceles, scalene, or equilateral, then write acute, obtuse, or right. Connect to science. Forces and balance. What makes triangles good for the construction of buildings or bridges? The 3 fixed lengths of the sides of a triangle, when joined, can form no other shape. So, when pushed, triangles don't bend or buckle. So, whereas we're looking at a polygon, it will bend and buckle. Whereas if you put force on a triangle, there's no bending or buckling. So classify the triangle in the structure below. Write isosceles, scalene, or equilateral, then write acute, obtuse, or right. So for number 13, the triangle is right here. For number 14, the triangle is right here.